It started with a dream born in Italy more than 8 decades ago by a visionary man with the desire to create beauty. This is the story of a singular obsession. At Pininfarina, we believe that tradition inspires innovation, that form and function are one, that timeless beauty provokes strong emotion, and that a visionary style can literally shape the future. From a passionate new take on luxury and motion, to the ultimate symbol of human achievement, to soaring designs for modern living, to objects of timeless beauty. Pininfarina is the magic driving emotion.